Welcome to this brief guided meditation for those who are grieving the transition or the passing of a pet. Now, before we begin, take a moment to honor what you are feeling. When a pet passes, it is real grief. They were not just an animal, they were a presence, energy, a daily rhythm, a witness to your life, a companion. And their love may have met you in those quiet moments when people, those close to you, did not understand. In Paramahansa Yogananda's book, in the autobiography of a yogi, he tells the story of a young deer. A young deer that he loved at his school in Ranchi. And when the deer passed away, Yogananda reflected that love does not end at transition, at the passing of the deer, but attachment can make release harder. He came to understand that the soul continues its journey, and he had the experience of knowing and having the love of that deer. You may want to go back and read that story from this book, The Autobiography of a Yogi, if you're interested. And this is not about saying that you have to believe the same thing. We talk about understanding that the soul continues its journey. But in this moment, in this practice, it is not about forcing yourself to stop grieving. It is about giving love a peaceful place to rest. So as I said before, throughout this practice, take what resonates with you. In the affirmations, you can reword it in a way that fits you for where you are right now. That's what it's about. So find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting in a chair, sitting on your couch, maybe you're out in nature, in your garden, in your yard, sitting on the floor. Find a comfortable position and let your shoulders soften. Just notice, do a brief scan and notice if there's any tension in the body. You may notice there's slight tension in the shoulders and you gently soften your shoulders. Just find what is fitting for you. Let your hands rest gently, whether you're by your side or in your lap. And just being aware of the breath, aware of the inhale and the exhale throughout this practice. Another option is taking a slow breath in and slowly breathing out. Slow breath in and slowly breathe out. If that doesn't resonate with you or fit you, just being aware of the inhale and exhale. Again, breathe in and breathe out. And now bring your pet to mind. Not only their final moment, but maybe reflecting on their life, their sounds, their little habits, the way they moved through your home, the way they greeted you when you returned home, when you returned to your space, the way they knew you, the way they gave love in their own language. And you may place one hand over your heart or simply bring your awareness to your heart and say quietly, verbally, or mentally, And again, reword this in a way that resonates with you. Thank you for the love we shared. Thank you for the love we shared. Bringing your attention back to the breath, being aware of the breath. Thank you for the comfort you gave me. Thank you for the comfort you gave me. Again, being aware of the breath, taking a breath. I release you with love. I release you with love. Taking another slow breath. If sadness rises, you may let it rise, or you may observe without any judgment as you show yourself some loving kindness in this moment. Now imagine a soft light around your pet, a soft light around your pet, just peaceful. Let that light be gentle. Let it say what you need it to say. It may be love remains. Love remains. Or I'm grateful for you. I am grateful. I am grateful that I knew you. Now bring your attention back to your body. Feel your feet. Feel the surface supporting you. If you're sitting on the floor, you may have your hands on the floor or on the yoga mat. Or if you're out in nature, you may have your hands on the earth. Feel the earth grounding you, supporting you. Take one slow breath in and breathe out. Or again, just being aware of the inhale and exhale. And saying quietly, I can miss you and still let love be peaceful. I can miss you and still let love be peaceful. Or I can grieve and still be grateful. I can grieve and still be grateful. Take one final breath. Just being aware of the inhale and the exhale. As you say these words, as you embrace the words that you find fit you for where you are right now. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes if your eyes were open, if your eyes were closed. The bond was real. The love was real. Whatever thoughts, words of gratitude come to you, you're just embracing this moment. I hope you found this brief meditation practice helpful. A brief guided meditation practice for those who are grieving the passing of a pet. Thank you again for joining us here in this meditation practice, and feel free to come back to this practice as much as you need to. Thank you.